hours. Another snowfall tonight, maybe 1 to 2% only. I don't know how many centimeters. So see, the small amount of snow is now starting to fall again tonight until tomorrow. Okay, so you see the small amount of white falling down from the sky. So this is our content and vlog for tonight. See, snowfall again for tonight. Okay, so this is our content and vlog for tonight. 7 o'clock past and it's cold, a little bit windy and cloudy. 7 o'clock at Canada, Saskatchewan. This is our content and vlog for tonight. Okay, so update weather in Canada, Saskatchewan. Subscribe and click notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, so see you guys. That's all.